Hi, my name is Jacob Gizzi. I'm in the PCMI class. I'm going to show you how we made these bullets. So a portion of PCMI is in the classroom. We work on the computers, learning about the lathe and the vertical mills and how to get the right tap in the right hole for the job. So our instructor works with us hands-on in the classroom, showing us how these programs will come together with these machines and show us how these machines hold the tools and work with the tools to make our product here. So this is an engraved piece that we did on the computer. We programmed it with the computer and transferred it to the machine. And it came out pretty nice. You can mess with the fonts to get it to however you want. And this is the program that I programmed to actually make it. Not too many steps, but it worked out good and it came out nice with a nice finish. So this replica bullet is made out of aluminum. I was actually just messing with it and tried to get like some rough dimensions of it. This is what I came out with. It's pretty cool. We had to get a little radius in a couple spots and had a little rough time. There was trial and error, of course, to get it to where I have it. I used this chuck that spins like this, and the cutter will come in and cut how it is. As you can see, there's some threads here, but that's where the bullet was. That's how it came out, all shiny like this. So here's the other piece that we made. This is actually the two-piece replica bullet. Here's the shell that we have here. You know, you gotta get these measurements to how you really want it with all of these programs right here that I used myself. And you just really gotta play with it to get it how you want it, but once you get it, it turns out mint. All right, so we're gonna fire these back outside. I'm just joking. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check out our website, PCMIRochester.com, and have a good one.